You need to stand up to bullies, and I'm going to show you how to be an upstander and how to create your own Avengers team. Did you have a bully when you were younger? Do you still have a bully now? Does your child have a bully? Recent studies have shown 46% of kids ages 12 through 14 have experienced bullying. 31% of adults have felt bullied their entire adult life. You have a choice to make here. You can either be a bystander or an upstander. An upstander is someone who stands up for others when they are witnessing them being bullied. If you are being bullied or know someone who is, the first step is to create your team of Avengers. Iron Man, Thor, pick your favorite Avenger, Captain America. Avengers is a superhero team who are great individually, but when they come together, they are unstoppable. So don't wait for others to create the team. It likely won't happen unless you do. And don't wait to see if the bullying just stops or slows down on its own. Once the power control is given up, it's hard to get it back, and it usually only gets worse. You don't have to physically fight, but stand up for yourself and stand up for others. Once someone knows they can bully you, they will continue to do so. I'm not saying you have to fight crime like Batman in Gotham, but if you see someone yelling at a clerk behind the grocery store just because they had a bad day or they're trying to take it out on someone, stand up for them. Confidence is gained for the person you stand up for, knowing they are not alone and they are not isolated. And confidence is also gained for you. Standing up to someone for either yourself or for others is a positive psychological boost that can carry over into other areas of your life. So don't go seeking out bullies, but when they come into your life, stand up, be an upstander. The confidence boost today comes from finding your Avengers team, putting them together, standing up to bullies, being bigger than bullies, and making a stance. When you see someone getting bullied or you are getting bullied, make a stance and be an upstander.
Now, you know I'm really into optimization and how to stay the healthiest, the mind, the sharpest, longevity, everything. I'm a nut for that. And I haven't found anything, literally anything, that has more positive benefits and improvement effects on the mind and the body than the hyperbaric chamber. Elevate Health. Hyperbaric chambers. Well, what it does, it can speed up your recovery from an injury. There are so many documented cases with athletes and they're injured and it heals the tissue dramatically faster. Also for concussions and brain damage, it's the number one thing that I have heard and I have seen heal concussions, improves blood flow, reduces inflammation. That's just in the hyperbaric chambers, but Elevate Health is doing something different. They are the top recovery modality company. They have cryotherapy, they have saunas, light therapy, vibroacoustics, PEMF, compression therapy, polar recovery, and so much more. It is worth checking them out. Trust me, Elevate Health, ELEVE health.com. Let them know David Nurse sent you. They'll hook you up or contact me and let me know what you're interested in, and I can direct you in the right way there. ElevateHealth.com. Do not wait. This is proactive and not reactive. Get after it.